do security.
You stand right there. Don't you move. I'll be right back.
I gotta listen to what the man said. Hey, everybody remember me? I'm Eulah Mae. Thank you. Hey, you know what though? I am looking for a job. And I was hoping maybe y'all can help me. See, I had a real good job a couple weeks ago right across the street there at First Federal. Yeah, I was working for that old Chuck Trump over there. Anybody know who he is? He looks like the rockin' mama can smell what he got cooking. But he came up to me one day and he said, Eulah, it just ain't working out. I'm gonna have to let you go. I said, why? He said, well, Eulah, your drawers ain't balancing. I said, honey, have you seen this body? At the end of the day, my drawers don't balance. At the beginning of the day, my drawers don't balance. I gotta pull them up on this side, pull them up on this side. Shoot, I'm walking around with half a wedgie most of the time. But you know, I am looking for a job, and I think I missed the boat here a couple weeks ago because I heard there's a lot of people in this borough that was retiring. I heard old Ryan Hartley retired up there at PNC Bank. I heard Tim Tyreen, I heard he retired and he ain't president at the university anymore. I wanted that one, I didn't have the credentials. But Chief Hallfield retired and we got us a new police chief. And then that borough manager guy, he retired. His name's Bruce Wormlinger. Wormlinger? What in tarnation kind of name's Wormlinger? Shoot, that sounds like something I'd say to my kids at the dinner table. Honey, you know ain't people like to be paying with your Wormlinger at the table. Put that thing away. I'll tell you what. You got all kinds of jobs, and then you got people in this town whose names match their jobs. You got people like Dr. Ingrid Toothman. It's kind of fitting that she's a dentist. And you got that feller, and he's now Sheriff Ketchum. That kind of works. And then you got people whose name don't match your jobs. You got people like Dr. Mona Counts. What's she counting? You got people like Dr. Nathan Dewar. Does he? And then there's this little boy down there at Fox's that sells cars, Kevin Virgin. No, he isn't. And then, you know, I find ironic that there's a drugstore on High Street. And you got the people that run that drugstore, it's the McCrackens. Everybody knows McCrackens. You got Jeff McCracken, he's a pharmacist. You got John McCracken, he's a delivery boy. And then you got Jay McCracken, he's a brother. He's a lawyer. Boys, I got news for you. I found your long lost brother. Yeah, he's a cement worker. His name's Phil McCracken. I'll tell you what though, all this stress and looking for jobs and whatnot, it's really got me. I'll tell you, I went from having a muffin top to a complete exploded can of biscuits up here. But I decided that I need a night out on the town, and I'm going to go out one of these nights. I'm going to go down to Morgantown. See, there's a bar down there Bill Clinton owns. Bet you guys didn't know that, did you? Yeah, Ben Willie's. But you know what? There is something else too. I've been holding out on y'all. You see, last year, I was the bachelorette, and I found myself true love. Yeah, I found me a gentleman, and he wrote me this beautiful love poem. And I am going to read it for you now. It starts out as, my dearest Eulah, collards are green, my dog's name is Blue. I'm so lucky to have a sweet thing like you. Your hair is like corn silk flapping in the breeze. It's softer than blues, without all them fleas. You move like the bass, which excite me in May. You ain't got no scales, but I love you anyway. You're satisfying as okra, just a frying in the pan. You're fragrant as snuff, right out of the can. You have some of your teeth, for which I am proud. I hold my head high when we're in a crowd. on special occasions when you shave under your arms? Well, I'm in hog heaven and all by your charms. It just makes me tear up. Still, them fellers at work, they all want to know what I did to deserve such a pretty young dove. Like a good roll of duct tape, you're there for your man to patch up less troubles and fix what you can. You're as cute as a June bug buzzing in the breeze. You ain't mean to make those far ants. I found them. Oh wait. You're as cute as a June bug buzzing overhead. You ain't mean like those far ants I found in my bed. Cut from the best cloth like a plaid finisher. You spark up my life more than a fresh load of dirt. When you hold me real tight like a padded gun rack, my life is complete. There ain't nothing I lack. Your complexion, it's perfection, like the best vinyl siding. Despite all those years, your age it's a hiding. Me and you's like a moon pie with an RC cold drink. We go together, just like stink and stank. Some men, they buy chocolate for Valentine's Day. They get it at Walmart. It's romantic that way. Some men get roses on that special day. And the cooler at Kroger. It's impressive, I say. Some men buy fine diamonds from a flea market booth. Diamonds are forever, they explain Swarthy. But for this man, dear honey, these things just won't do. Because you're far too special, you sweet little flame you. I got you a gift, both useful and sweet. I bought for you, honey, a new toilet seat. And it's signed with love, Commissioner Blair Zimmerman. You know what I was saying about people's names, though? And this one just popped in my head. People's names, some of them even match the scandal that they're involved in. I mean, need I say more than Anthony Weiner? I mean, it makes me just want to go, oh, I'm glad I'm not a friend of Tony Weiner. That makes me as happy as can be. Cause if I was a friend of Tony Weiner, then Tony Weiner be a texting me. You know, my time is going a little quicker than what I thought this time, but I don't know. There's men out there that I'm looking at, and I'm telling you, oh, look here. Don Keller. I'm raring to go on the ride on that track, baby. You see this here? This is the Eulah train. Once men come in, they don't ever want to leave. I suppose I better try to hurry up, though. I'll tell you what, before that guy gets his bowels in an uproar again. You know, he's just so, he just has a bad attitude. He was so ugly when he was a baby, his mama had to feed him with a long-handled spoon. But before I do go, there is one thing that I have for you. Last year we did the Eulah Mae rap, and it did not work and bring the rain. I understand we already did have rain today, that's right? So, in honor of the fact that we had rain, I prepared a little song for y'all. After I say rain day, I want you guys to be my echo in the song too. Are you ready? Let's hit it. Oh. Let me see you dance. They say there ain't one rain. Oh, I messed it up. Well, you ain't had enough to eat. But now there's food courts everywhere. to take a part of our bazaar on rain day. It's rain day. I'm Eulah Mae. On rain day. Peace out.
Ladies and gentlemen, Eulah Mae.